What happens once you're under contract? So typically, the process is you have your home on the market, and buyer comes through, looks at it, presents an offer. You negotiate the offer. You're typically there are two realtors and negotiate the offer, and then everyone signs everything and it's under contract. So what happens next is going to depend on what that contract says. And these are legally binding agreements, which is super important to read them. And it's also another reason why you do want to have good representation and a good realtor, because there are a lot of realtors out there that don't know these contracts, and these we live and die by these contracts. So it's super important to know them. Um, but it could be any number of things. You know, the buyer's going to hire an inspector. The once the contract is signed, the contract goes to an attorney or title company to start the title process. So everything starts, the process starts, and again, it does depend on what's in that contract. But typically, you do an inspection, then there might be some repairs, negotiation for repairs, title work's done, arrange. You might need to be approved by the condo association or the homeowners association. There's a bunch of little things that need to be done prior to closing, but that's generally the process once the buyer and seller have met, have a meeting of the minds.